So first test is just the basics. When I opened the door, I wanted to make sure that the cluster woke up, and it did. So that's functioning properly. Now we're going to, before I even change the communication style, just key on, see where we land. Alright, so it goes through all of the self-testing. No issues there. And in order for me to know if I need to change the communication type when I turn it on, what I'm looking for is for it to say display defective. That means there's no CAN communication going on. Alright, so I turn the car on. I have an issue with my engine oil level sensor. That's accurate. But it's communicating just fine. Going through the menus. I'm not getting the display defective error message like my customer is.